Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are good and doing well at home. So today we are going to start from chapter number 13, constructions, and this is a chapter from geometry section, and I am your math teacher, Miss Falak Naz, right? So students, what we are going to learn today we are going to learn about exercise number 13.2, and we are going to solve question number 1, bit number 1. So what you have to do, all of you, please open your geometry copy and write down index in geometry copy. Okay, I am talking to the students of group B. Students of group B have already done this work. Okay, they already done this work, so they just listen the lecture while group students of group A will do this work, right? Clear? Group B students, please do not write down anything in your copy. Understand? Please let me know if you can. Just group A students will do this work. Yes, Ishal, I know you have done question number 2. I know. Mir Abban, kindly write down index. Okay, those students who have done this question, exercise number 13.2, question number 1, bit number 1 in copy, please do not attempt this question. Okay, just listen the lecture. Clear? Okay, now students, write down question number 1. First, before writing question number 1, write down date and exercise number on red line. Date and exercise number. Yes, Mir Abban, you have to copy down this work. Lisa, we are not going to do question number 5 of exercise 13.1. So far, we have done exercise number 13.1, question number 1, bit number 1, 3, question number 2, bit number 1, 3, and question number 3 and 4. Okay. Now you have to do this question in your copy, not question number 5. Understand? Okay, students, please write down question number 1 in copy and write down date and exercise number. Okay, class, now listen to me. What you have to do in this question. Just listen to me. Then I'm going to tell you what you are going to do. Now look at here. What is the question here? Draw line segments of the following major length. Okay. You have to draw the line segment of the given length. Okay. And bisect. Now what does it mean by bisect? Bi means two. Okay, sect means section. Means you have to divide the given line segment into two sections with the help of compass. Okay, how will you divide? You will use the compass. Write briefly steps of construction. Means you have to write how you will do this. Okay. Okay. Now, for this, just suppose what they are going to tell you means what you have to do. Look at here. First, what you will draw a line segment of 6.9 centimeter. Okay. And then you have to divide this line segment into two equal parts. This is the part 1 and this is part 2. Okay. But those two parts should be equal. Okay. It means you have to find out this point, which is the point O. Okay. So, and then how will you divide it? You will divide it with the help of compass. Understand? You will divide it with the help of compass into two parts. Means you have to require this point O, after which this line segment will be divided into two equal parts. So whenever you are going to do anything, so how will you gonna do this? Okay, how will you gonna do this? First, you will write down what is given to you. Now, what is given to you? Measurement AB is equals to 6.9 centimeter. Okay, this is the measurement that is given to you, means you have to draw the line segment of 6.9 centimeter. So you will say that this is point A and this is point B. Okay, so you will say that What is giving to you? Measurement AB, which is equals to 6.9 centimeter. So everyone, please write it down in your copy that what is given. Everyone, please copy it down in your copy. Okay, now class, write down what is required to you. What is required to you to find the point O? Means you have to find out this point O on line segment AB. This is line segment AB and you have to find out the point O such that measurement AO should be equals to measurement OB. Clear? Is it clear? Then, Hafsa Amir, do you have any problem with my voice? Okay, very good. Now, I'm going to start my video. So please tell me, is it clear or not? Okay. Clear? Right? Ajwa Musafar, please write it down in the chat box that what you want to ask. Okay, thank you, Varda. Okay, now, what is required to you? A scale, pencil, and compass. Okay, you should have these three things with you, all of you. Ajwa, I will show you again. Okay, just draw this figure. Okay. Okay, Iman, I will show it to you again. Now, first of all, draw this figure. Okay. Now, look at here what you have. You should have scale, pencil, and compass. Okay, now, first what you will do, all of you, draw a line segment of the given measurement. Now, what measurement is given to you? 6.9 centimeters. So, just suppose here I'm going to draw a line segment of 6.9 centimeter. So here it will rise 6.9 centimeters. So it should be accurate. It should be equal to 6.9, not more than 6.9 or not less than 6.9. Okay. And then mark it. This is point A. This is point B. And this is equals to 6.9 centimeter. Everyone, please do this. Everyone. Okay. And everyone, you can start your videos as well. Okay. If please start your video as well. Everyone, please start your videos as well and draw a line segment of this measurement. Then, no, Zen, you are in group A or group B? Have you done this work in your copy, Zen? Uh, okay, now you can start your videos. Now, please start your video, everyone. Okay, now start it again. Try it again. So, obviously, Zen. Okay, Miraban, try to open it again. Yes, very good. Now, what you have to do, now look at here. Very good. Now, look at here. First of all, insert the pencil in the compass such that pencil's needle and the compass needle should be coincide with each other and then fix it. Okay. Now ready your compass. Now listen to me what you have to do here. Now listen. what you have to do, you have to divide this line segment into two equal parts, but you have to use the compass. Means the given measurement is 6.9 centimeter. So what you will do, first you will take the half of 6.9 centimeter. Okay, look at here, what will be the half of 6.9 centimeter? Look at here, 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, 2 into 3 is 6, minus you will get nothing here, decimal, it will move upward, then you will copy down 9. Okay, 2 into 4 is 8, minus you will get 1. Here you have decimal, so what you will get here, and here 0. So 2 into 5 is 10. So answer will be 3.45. So the half of 6.9 centimeter, half of 6.9 centimeter will be 3.45. Now what you have to do, you have to open your compass greater than 3.45 centimeter. Okay, you will take the radius, but the radius should be greater than 3.45 centimeter. Just suppose I am going to take here 4 centimeter, because 4 is, no, you Sarah, do not write it down in your copy. Okay, this is not the thing that you have to copy it down. Okay, 3.45, so the greater of 3.45 will be 4 centimeter. It's up to you, you can take 5 centimeter, you can take 6 centimeter, you can take 8 centimeter, it's up to you. But we are not going to take too much measurements. Just if you want to, if you have 3.45 centimeter, so you will take 4 centimeter. Now what you will do, open your compass, look at here, open your compass around 4 centimeter. Look at here, place the needle here and open your compass around 4 centimeter. Just a minute. 4 centimeter. Everyone please open your compass. 4 centimeter. Everyone. Okay, open your compass. 4 centimeter. Done? Students, have you done it? 4 centimeter. Open your compass. Okay, now what you will do, put the compass needles on point A. This is your point A. Okay, and make a small arc like this. Make a small arc like this. Everyone. Similarly, by keeping it on A, also make the small arc on the bottom of AB, just like this. Hurry up. On both sides of AB, make an arc of 4 centimeter. On both sides of AB, make an arc of 4 centimeter, everyone. And when you will done, so please let me know. Very good, Iman. Very good, Aliza. Abiha, no, Abiha, wrong. Please do not cross it from this one. Ajwa, wrong. Ajwa, wrong. There is a gap. There is a gap. Yes, Aliza Amjad, yours is right. Okay, please इसको ज्वाइन मत कीजिए. Okay, yes, Hamna Tariq, yours is right. Ushna, yours is right. Yes, Aliza Amjad. Yes, me Rabban, right. Okay, now with the same radius, okay, with the same radius. Now what you will do, with the same radius, that is 4 centimeter, place the compass needle on point B and intersect the previous arc, just like this. So it will make a cross here, just like this. Make a small line with the help of compass. And same radius, 4 centimeter. You have to take the same radius. Done? Okay, Yusera, Ushna, you are not doing. Why? At point B, okay, you have to place the needle of the compass at point B. B पे रखिए and then make an arc. Put it on B and make an arc just like this. Similarly, at the bottom of the AB. Yes, Aban, you are right. Okay, Ajwa, your answer is right. Sorry, your work is right. Ushna, right. एक minute. Aisha Noman. Alina Salman, right. Aisha Noman, right. Very good. Who is this? Alina Salman, right. Ajwa, right. Ushna, right. Iman, very good. Okay, now what you will do, since you get the center point here, so what you will do, you will erase this extra portion. Okay, just simply leave it, just erase the extra portion. Okay, just like this. Everyone, please erase this extra portion. Extra portion. Okay, do not erase the entire cross, just erase the extra portion. Then Isara, show it to me. Bring it nearer to the camera. Okay, erase it more. Erase it more. Ajwa, you too. Kindly erase it more. Hamna Tariq, erase the extra portion. Hamna, beta, erase the extra portion. Just make a small cross. Just leave the small cross here. Ushna, why you are not erasing? Aisha Naman. Yes, good. Abiha. Aban, good. Umema. Alina Salman, good. Okay, that's good. Okay, now look at here. What you will do, simply look at here. Now look at here. With the help of pencil and scale. Yes, Aban. Now look at here. What will be the next step? Look at here. What will be the next step? This is the point. Okay, this is one point and this is second point. What you have to do, you have to join these 2 points with the help of scale. So please listen to me very carefully. If you are placing your scale here, here, so that will be wrong. Please join this point with this point. Okay, just like this with the help of scale, and draw a line segment of any measurement, just like this. Simple. Everyone. Very good, Ushna. Very good. Ajwa, show yours. Slightly wrong. I think I should spotlight this one. This one is good. This is Ushna's work and this is very good. Okay, Aisha Noman, just a minute. Yes, very good, Aisha Noman. Very good. Okay, Iman Hasham, I'm checking your. Just a minute. Iman Hasham. Okay, who is this? Ushna Aliza. I can't see your video. Okay, now students, look at here. Students, look at here. Now, what you will do next, this point will be called point C. Write it down here. And this point will be called point D. This is point C, this is point D. Now, after that, and this point that is required to you. Now, this point is now called point O. Okay, so this is the required point. And after that, what you have to do, the measurement from A till O and O till B should be equal. Just suppose I'm going to check it. What's my measurement from A till O? So it is around 3.4 and in between 4 and 5. Okay, 3.4 and 5, and it will also equals to 3.45 in between 4 and 5. Okay, means we have to divide it into two equal parts. So half of 6.9 will be 3.45 centimeter. So your both sections should be equals to 3.4 or 5 centimeter. Okay, so it should be equal to 3.4 or 5 centimeter, means in between of 4 and 5. Everyone please check it and then label it that each segment is now equals to 3.45 centimeter. Yes, Meerappan, right, right, very right. Yes, Meerappan, right. Absolutely right. Now label it just like this. You said, is it equal? It should be equal to 3.4 or 5, in between 4 and 5. Okay, now label it. Label it. Now write it down. This is point C. Iman Hasham, right here. This is point C. This is point D. This is point O. Okay, Alina, it's okay. अलीना मैंने आपको बताया था. Students, hurry up. So students, have you done it? Now we are going to write down the steps of construction. So I'm going to stop my video here and going to share the slide again. Okay, now write down the heading of steps of construction after the required step. After this required step, now write down the heading of steps of construction with black pen. Everyone, everyone, please. Just a minute. Okay, now write down the heading of steps of construction. I think all of you have done. Done? Okay, I'm going to show you required as well. Now this is required. Please copy it down fast. Hurry up. Please copy it down fast. We are running out of time. Hurry up, students. Okay, now write down first construction step. Means what you did first, you draw a line segment of measurement AB that is equals to 6.9 centimeter. So this is step number 1. Okay, this is step number 1. Draw measurement AB is equals to 6.9 centimeter. Okay, Alina. Okay, now step number 2, with A as center. Now in the next step, what you did, you took A as a center and radius greater than. Okay, with A as center and radius. What you took the radius? Greater than half measurement AB. Remember what was the measurement of half of 6.9? The half of 6.9 was 3.45 centimeter, and you took greater than half, means you took 4 centimeter. So what you will do, with A as center and radius greater than half measurement AB, draw arcs on both sides of AB. Remember? Now copy down step number 2. Yes, then you have to write it down. No, Miram, we have a lot of work to do in chapter number 13. Okay. Now after that, what was your third step? With B as center. Okay. Now after that, what you took? You took B as a center and same radius. Means what was your radius? That was 4 centimeter. Draw arcs intersecting. It was what it was doing. It was intersecting the previous arcs. Okay, it was intersecting the previous arcs at point C and D. Okay, at point C and D. Remember? Remember this? Okay. Now after that, what you did? After that, join C to D means you will join point C to D, which bisect AB at point O. Means after joining the line from C to D, it will bisect, it will divide the given line segment into two sections, that is AB at point O. After that, that is measurement AO will be equals to measurement OB. Okay, AO was 3.45 centimeter and measurement from O to B was also 3.45 centimeter. 5 centimeter. This is 5. Okay. So please copy it down, everyone. Hurry up. Okay, students, at the end, I would like to say thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So take care. Allah Hafiz. If you want to ask anything, so